So guys, first of all, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be connecting two computers today using the folder sharing method. Both of the computers will be communicating with the printer within the network to ease file sharing and output. So this can be used in a home office, in a small business office, and so on, or even for your personal use. So let's go, guys. So as you can see, we'll be connecting these two computers through this switch that we have plugged in here, which is connected to the router that is also connected to other devices within the local network. So this is like a sub network, yeah, using the switch. So guys, first things first, to connect both computers, you have to enable your file sharing. To do that, you go to configuration panel, control panel, sorry. You head on to your control panel and you make sure you go to network and internet. Network and internet, you head to network and sharing center, and then to change advanced device sharing, advanced sharing center. Yes, don't forget I'm using Windows 11 here, but on the other computer it will be Windows 10, so you will get to see how it works both ways. So on advanced network sharing, you should make sure you activate your network discovery, switch it to on, and file and printer sharing, yes. You go to under public networks, in network discovery, you open file and sharing tool, you accept, and under all network, you go for folder sharing, you accept, and make sure you're on 128-bit encryption. This is standard, so it's good to be there. Then for the password protected sharing, you just leave it off because you're within your local network, so you won't be needing that. It might just slow you down, so that's if you really need it, if it's necessary for you, but generally you just let it off. So once that is done, you make sure you do that too in the other computer. I'm going to show you a video too how it works with the other computer. So later on, you have to identify the file you want to share. So let's say we go to pictures and we want to share some files in this picture. Let's say a folder. Let's create a new folder. Yeah, let's say we go to documents, create a new folder in documents here. Let's say new folder, and we'll call it let's just call it project 5, project 1. So we'll say project 1, and that will create a new file. You can create a new file in project 1, and we'll just say hello. Let's say new project. New project sounds better. New project. Open the file and just say hello. Hello there. And a Control S, and that's it. So we'll have a new file, and we'll enable this file for file sharing within the local network. So for that, you right click and you go to more options. That's for Windows 11. Then you go to give access to specific people. You click and you have something like this. Now here, what happens is you're trying to set the people in the network that you want to share the files. It can be more than one person, of course. Yeah, I just have 2 people. So you go to everyone. You want to share the file with everyone, and press share. You select the file, project 1, and done. That's it. Now we're on the other computer, and we want to check first things first. We check for our control panel. You can type control panel on your search. It appears here. You go to network and internet, you click. You go to network and sharing center, you click. Then you head to change advanced sharing settings. You click there too. It will take you to a page where you will see private networks. You make sure your private network is turned on, and discovery for you it might be off. So turn on and turn on. Then you go for file and printer sharing. There too you turn on. Under private you turn on file and printer sharing. Then you head to public, you turn on to both. Then under all networks you turn on for all network. Turn on so anyone with network access can read and write files in public folders. Yeah. So same, make sure you use 21 and 28-bit as it was in the other computer to just make the file exchange safe. So use 128-bit and you turn off password too. You save your changes. Mine is already saved, so you make sure you save changes and you move out. Then after that is done, you can now head to your computer. We head to our file we want to share. That is under documents, I think. Let's say we want to share this folder shared. Let's check what's inside. We have 2 musics inside, so we decide we want to share them. We want to share these files with our other computer. So we'll go to properties, go to sharing, and we'll first make sure we go to share and check. Okay, everything is good here, same as the other one we have. Everyone can read, but we're going to precise here. Under advanced sharing, we can make our computer to read, write the documents, and even execute. So we're going to limit to 2 people and we'll apply. So we'll go to permissions, and we can allow, in these permissions, we can allow the other computer to either read or change the file, have full control. So yeah, here you can deny everything. So we're just gonna allow all for these files, the music files, and we'll apply. So after doing that, we'll go to project 1 and do the same. Though there was the folder we created in the beginning for this project. So go to advanced sharing to share the folder. We decide to share, let's say 2 people, same as the other ones. We're gonna give you permission just to read, no change, to show the difference. So we'll apply. Okay, same here. We'll close. Under network computer here, we'll click, and you see we have project 1 and we have shared folders. So if we head to share folder, we can see the 2 music, and we can even run it. We can read it as we can read it as it was set on read, and read, write, and execute. So we're just gonna use classic and just play out to read. It's taking a while. So same thing, if we head to the other folder, you can see project 1. You don't have permissions to also contact the network administrator. We may not have set it already, so you see it executes the folder, the file sharing. For the other one, I guess we'll have to verify that everything was done correctly. Everyone, we shall add and share. Project 1 done. Make sure everything is okay by checking the permissions. Project 1 permissions, yeah. I think we are good to go. So just gonna refresh. We'll head back to the other computer, and I'm just gonna refresh this page. Head to project 1. Now you can see we have access to it, since as we did not do the modification there properly. So you can read it equally. You can see hello there. Yeah, so we have successfully shared this.